Hi, I'm Neha Shah, and welcome to this exquisite penthouse here at Civic Heart. Perched high on the 36th floor, this is more than a home. It's a rare opportunity to reside at the top of Perth's tallest residential building. With 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a private study, and a secure parking garage for 3 cars, this penthouse redefines opulence and sophistication. From elegant living areas to the meticulously designed kitchen, adorned with top-of-the-line Gaggenau appliances, a fully integrated Liebherr fridge, and dual Vintec wine cabinets, this 331 square metre residence was designed to seamlessly blend style with functionality. As a resident of Civic Heart, you'll also enjoy access to an unparalleled lifestyle with world-class amenities, all set in the vibrant heart of South Perth. This is a rare opportunity to own one of Perth's most exclusive residences. To arrange a private tour, visit civicheart.com.au and get in touch today.